Welcome to MellowBites. I'm Forna.
And I'm Deepa.
Who doesn't love munching a biscuit? And I love how that perfect crumbly texture when you bite into it.
So how about making a biscuit that's so rich in calcium and fiber? And today we are gonna make cheese biscuits. Stay tuned.
So let's start making our cheese biscuits. What do we need, Mom?
We are gonna use Parmesan cheese, and this gives a nice salty flavor, and this is rich in calcium. So this is a secret ingredient behind the cheese biscuits.
Yeah, the other thing you need is a big bowl.
Yeah.
So the next thing we'll be needing is 1.5 cup of wheat flour. Now you could use all-purpose flour, but we're gonna be healthy and use this.
Yeah.
Stick to wheat flour. So I'm gonna toss that into our big bowl.
So you said this is salt biscuits. Let's add some salt to taste.
Yeah, I love salty crackers. They're like my most favorite thing.
And I'm gonna add some turmeric. It's like approximately 1/4 teaspoon. This gives a nice color to the biscuit.
Then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. This smells great.
First, I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. Just going to toss inside. And of course, any biscuits need some baking powder. Now all the dry ingredients being added, let's give it a nice mix. I have 3 tablespoons of clarified butter right over here. You can use butter or clarified butter. I'm gonna add this slowly, and Purna is going to keep mixing it. You have to incorporate it in such a way that it should be in a sandy consistency. You can see that sandy consistency coming up. Yeah. The ingredient that we have to put in is
Parmesan.
Here we are adding 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese.
That smells delicious.
Yeah. Now it's time to add milk. It will take approximately 8 to 9 tablespoons of milk. Purna, can you add this? I start using my hands as a tool. Add little by little and make it into a crumbling dough texture.
Yeah, it's kind of getting crumbly slowly.
I'm just giving it a tight knead. It's almost being done. Look at this, it's been getting all together very well, but look at the crumbly texture. Yeah, you need this crumbly texture.
It looks like that kind of dry Play-Doh.
Your cookie dough is done. So see the texture, it's crumbly, but it's all getting together very well, and you have to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Keep it tightly covered. I'm going to put into this and wrap it with a foil. We have preheated our oven to 180 degrees centigrade. It's been 30 minutes and we have taken the dough.
Yep, and now comes the fun part. We're gonna
roll and cut it into.
Yeah, and today we're making a special shape. Hearts.
So gently press down this dough. Make sure it's of same thickness on all sides. Today we are going to use a
heart.
So Purna is going to give a cut. You can just prick some holes with a fork. And I'm going to move this into the tray as well. The remaining dough you can again give it a gentle press and cut it into nice cookies. So heart-shaped beautiful cheese biscuits are gonna get baked.
Yeah, so why don't we toss these into the oven?
Yeah, our oven has been already preheated to 180 degrees centigrade. I'm just gonna place this and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes.
They're like cute hearts getting roasted, and they're gonna be super warm.
Let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then come and
we'll watch
back.
Some TV series between that.
TV series in between 15 minutes.
Yep.
Let's do some reels. It's been 20 minutes and we have completed making our reels. The biscuits are golden, and let's take it out and let it cool down, and then let's taste it. Wow. Our beautiful cheese biscuits are ready. Look at this. It's nice, golden.
And they are delicious. Now time to taste
break
this one. You're gonna break it. There we go. And let's try that. That's good. It's like salty, but then crunch.
It's so nice. You would definitely love it.
I think these really go great with while it's raining or like when you want to feel warm and cozy. And they just look so cute. They're like these heart golden. They're like golden on the top, and then they're like this breakable crunch. I think I'm gonna have fun in breaking each one of these every time I have one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you try out these amazing cookies. We're gonna have them and I'm gonna have fun breaking them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Bye. Every Friday, 8 p.m.